Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 10. Dear students, this is the first math class for you in 2022 session. Okay, dear students, our today's topic is chapter 13 finite series. This is lesson number 1 and HW number 1 also. Okay, dear students, now we will start our class. At first we want to know what is finite series. Dear students, in class 8 you have learned, you have introduced with sequence. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot dot. This is a sequence. If the terms of a sequence are successively connected with plus sign, then a series is formed. Instead of comma, if we give here plus sign, then this sequence is converted into a series. Dear students, here the number of terms is unlimited. In this case, we can say that this is infinite series. If we erase this part, here we can easily say that how many terms exist here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 terms exist in this series. And in this case, we can say that this is finite series. Dear students, there are two types of series. One is arithmetic series and another one is geometric series. If the difference between any two consecutive terms of a series is same, then this series is called arithmetic series. Here difference between these two terms is 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Between these two terms also 5 minus 3 equal to 2. And difference between these two terms also 2. Difference between these two terms also 2. So that we can say that this is a finite arithmetic series. Now, what is geometric series? Suppose 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus dot dot dot. This is a series. Here the ratio between two consecutive terms is same. Suppose 3 divided by 1, this is equal to 3. 9 divided by 3, this is equal to 3, and 27 divided by 9, this is equal to also 3. That means the ratio between two consecutive terms of this series are same, so that we can say this series is a geometric series. Dear the students, today we'll learn how to find any terms of a arithmetic series. If the first term of a arithmetic series is given and number of term is limited, that means finite series, and its common difference is given, then we can easily find any terms, value of any terms. Dear students, if first term of any series is A, first term of any series is A and its common difference is D, then second term will be, second term equal to, it will be D greater than A. That means we have to add d with a. Then third term will be this is equal to a plus d. It will be another d greater than this term, that means a plus 2d. And similarly fourth term, this is equal to a plus 2d plus another d, this is equal to a plus 3d. And dot dot dot. Dear students, instead of a, here we can write a plus 1 minus 1 into d. 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 0 into d equal to 0, that means a equal to a. Now, instead of a plus d, we can write a plus 2 minus 1 into d. 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 1 into d equal to d, that means a plus d. And instead of this expression, we can write a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Instead of this expression, we can write a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Dear students, in every expression, we are watching that a, same, and 1, 1, 1, 1, same, d, same. Just this term is changing, here 1, here 2, 3, 4. That means first term is, in case of first term, here we have given 1. In case of second term, we have given here 2. In case of third term, we have given here 3. And in case of fourth term, we have given here 4. Similarly, in case of nth term, we will write a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is a variable. Therefore, nth term, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear students, this is a formula. If first term of an arithmetic series is a and common difference is d, then its nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Using this formula, today we will solve one problem. We will solve example 2 from 13.1. Here the question given. Of the series 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus dot dot dot, which term is 383? We have to find out the order of the term 383. Here first term is 5 and common difference will be 8 minus 5 equal to 3. That means first term and common difference is given. So using this formula, we can easily find any term. At first, we will consider 383 is nth term. Then we can write nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And as per question, we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 383. And solving the equation, we can easily get the value of n. Solution. Here first term of the series, will define first term of the series by a, and a equal to first term equal to 5. Common difference will denote common difference by d, and here d equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3, 11 minus 8 equal to also 3, and 14 minus 11 equal to also 3. So common difference will be 3. 8 minus 5, this is equal to 3. Now we will consider nth term is 383. Let nth term of the series is 383. Now we know that nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, so that we will write now, therefore nth term, sorry, it will be nth term equal to 383. Since we have supposed that nth term is 383 and nth term equal to, using formula we can write here a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, again nth term is 383. So as per question we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 383. As per question, a plus n minus 1 into d, this is equal to 383. Here the value of first term a equal to 5, so instead of a we will write 5 plus n minus 1 into value of d 3 equal to 383, or 5 plus n into 3, this is equal to 3n minus 3 multiplication minus 1, this is equal to minus 3, equal to 383, or 3n plus 5 minus 3, this is equal to 2, that means 3n plus 2, this is equal to 383, or 3n equal to 383 minus 2. Now 3n, at first we'll write or 3n equal to 383 minus 2, this is equal to 381, or n equal to 381 divided by 3. Now we'll divide 381 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 7s are 21. Okay, therefore n equal to 127. That means nth term means 127th terms. That means the 127th terms of the series is 383. So we'll write, therefore 127th term of the series is 383. Answer will be 127th term. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, this is SW number 1 and topic of SW is exercise 13.1 example 2. That means our today's CW is your SW also. Do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.